So recently, there's been a little bit of controversy over here at Lucid Trading. They removed the Lucid Pro account and added the Lucid Black, and traders were upset. So right now, there's 4 different account types: the Lucid Pro, Lucid Black, Lucid Flex, and Lucid Direct accounts. And I'm going to share with you guys what the CEO had to say, and one of these accounts will be going bye-bye. However, for us, the traders, we get to choose which account it's going to be. So now let's start off looking at the Lucid Pro account, and one of the features that traders like the most about this account. If we look right down here, you can see where it says pass in as little as 1 day. Well, if we come over and look at the Lucid Black account, do we see anything about pass in 1 day? Absolutely not. So now as we come right up here to the FAQ, and under Lucid Black, we'll go over to where it says Lucid Black evaluation account. We scroll down here real quick and notice something that's a little bit different than the Pro account. The Lucid Black evaluation is a 60% consistency rule. That means it's easier to pass in as little as 2 days. So in that Pro account, we had the ability to pass in 1 day. And now with the Lucid Black, we simply cannot pass this account in 1 day. It's going to take us a minimum of 2 days in order to pass. So now let's talk about something that's a little bit better in the Lucid Black account. You can see it right down here, DLL. It's basically has a hash mark going against it. Why is that? The Lucid Black has a 0 daily loss limit. However, when we look at the Lucid Pro account, this is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to share with you guys as we go ahead and take a look at the FAQ here in a moment. But notice daily loss limit, $1,200, and this is going to be in the 50K account. However, when we come over to the FAQ and look at the Lucid Pro funded account, once you get the account funded, notice they have a 60% of the peak end of the day balance is what your scaling DLL is going to be. So as a trader makes more and more money, they have the ability to have a larger daily loss limit, which I do find this kind of type of daily loss limit is quite unique to Lucid Trading. I haven't seen other prop firms implement this type of daily loss limit. So now before we jump in and look at the payout policies and whatnot, let's take a look at what the CEO had to say. Lucid hit an important milestone yesterday, our first prop firm controversy. Mama, we finally made it. The reason we removed the Pro account, because the Flex account has been dominating sales. Everyone is buying Flex, and with the introduction of the Black, we didn't expect there to be a meaningful demand for the Pro accounts going forward. Now, I currently have 5 of the Flex accounts with Lucid Trading myself, and yes, they are funded at the time of recording this video. Now, it does go on to say, however, we now have 14 different accounts. Some of these accounts are going to get no volume, so we'll leave it up to the traders to vote with their wallet. So if there's an account that you like better, either the Pro or the Lucid Black accounts, Lucid is basically going to listen to us, the trader, by looking at which accounts get bought the most. But do me a favor, let me know in the comment section down below, which account, at least at this point in time, do you guys like better? Is it the Lucid Pro or the Lucid Black account? Now, it also goes on to say, we will be monitor where the volume goes over the next couple weeks. The accounts that people are trading will stay. The ones nobody is trading will be cut. So that means your favorite account may be going bye-bye if not enough other traders also agree with you. Now, besides Lucid Black's 40% off for the first 5 uses, everything else will remain at 30% off the base price. So you can get a Lucid Pro account right now for 30% off, or if you want the Lucid Black, use promo code Mike, link in the description box down below, you can save 40%. The CEO also went on to say he's going to have a town hall meeting. So now, is there any other glaring differences? The Lucid Black, again, with the 50K account, same profit target, $3,000, $2,000 maximum loss limit. The Lucid Pro, same take profit, same max loss limit as well. They can both trade 4 minis or 40 micros in the 50K account, as we can see right there. But now let's go through the FAQ a little bit more. And one of the things that traders care the most about with any prop firm out there is, what is the payout policy going to be? Well, we're going to start off looking at the Lucid Pro payout policy first. And right here in the Pro account, all funded account payouts are subject to a 90-10 split. So the trader gets to keep 90%. Lucid is going to be able to keep 10%. Now let's talk about the eligibility criteria. You must earn at least the minimum required profit on 5 separate trading days of your payout cycle. So if we're dealing with a $50,000 account, then a profit day will count as a net profit of greater than $100. Anything less than that will not count as a trading day. Consistency percentage. We must not have any one day be more than 40% of the total profit at the time of requesting your payout. Now, they also go on to say in the pro account, there is going to be a profit buffer. So for the 50K account, we are not eligible to start requesting payouts until we have a balance that is greater than $52,100. Well, how does this compare to the Lucid Black payout objectives? We scroll down here real quick. The profit split 90-10, that is exactly the same. So nothing changes. We still get to keep 90% of the profits. We look at the consistency rule, also 40%. So at this point, nothing has changed. But then we come down here and we start looking at, to be eligible for a payout, you must reach a minimum profit goal during each payout cycle. The profit goal resets to 0 after each payout is approved. So for the 50K account, we have to make $3,000 in between payouts in order to be eligible for a payout. Now, right here, we can also see in the Lucid Black account, under buffer, there is no buffer requirement. And we can also get a payout in as little as 3 days, where in the pro account, it was going to be once every 5 days, best case scenario. Now, also with the Lucid Black account, there is a bonus payout, and that is essentially going to be in a 50K account. If you make $5,000, instead of only being able to request $1,500, the trader will be able to request an additional $1,500 in this account. So if you're looking for a little bit higher payouts, well, it looks like the Lucid Black is going to win in that category. But as a trader, you are going to have to make a little bit more money. So again, let me know in the comment section down below, which of these Lucid accounts do you guys like best? And if you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to smash the subscribe button down below and give the video a big thumbs up. And if you guys like to see me do a breakdown of the difference between the Lucid Black and the Lucid Flex account, which is the account that I currently have, then make sure to watch this next video right here.